of the video. Time is warm. I'm back. Today we're doing some work. I'm gonna show y'all what we're doing. Who is this guy? Yeah, we got the addition to the crew. Y'all saw the SI before. We got this 335, huh? XI. I don't know about this stuff, but it's the driver. We doing some work. There goes the bad baby right here. And then I got another surprise for y'all later. I'm gonna do something that I ain't never done on YouTube. Let me put it like that, on YouTube. So y'all gonna see. So stick with me. I'm gonna do some work on the EK. I'm gonna change my radiator. Cause I had this bad leak, so I know I'm gonna do some little stuff around. But y'all gonna see a lot more of the hatch coming on. I ain't gonna say it. Yes, sir. So I'm about to take this radiator off. I ain't gonna show the process because it's too easy. This hose down here for the fan. Pull it out and that's it. The new radiator in that box right there. Clean this bay up, gotta do a wire tuck. This video is gonna be short. It was too cold for me to be doing videos outside, and I didn't have a garage at the moment. So now we about to turn up.
So what we got here is like, you know what I'm saying, a V8 turbo, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go real fast. Ready pouring in there right now.
Oh!
He's building like.
Told y'all I had a surprise for y'all guys. I'm on the R1. Yep. This bike is nice, bro. It is. Yeah! So we in the BM right now. As I showed you earlier, we did the charge pipe installation and I'm about to test it. My first time driving a turbo vehicle with blow-off valve. I drove a lot of turbo vehicles, but I've never driven one with blow-off valve. So here we go. Woo! That's 100 already. Let me slow it down. It ain't right. Woo! Oh my gosh, this car is fast. Slow down a little bit. Woo! Let's get it! Oh! Whoa! Woo! Hope y'all have a good day, good night. Hit that like button, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We out.